Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm still in Bangkok. I'm trying out another Marriott hotel in Bangkok. This time I'm staying at the Athenee Hotel, Bangkok, which is under the luxury collection under Marriott Bonvoy. So I always like to check out new Marriott hotel in each city. So I'm spending a night here. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. The decor is very much traditional Thai, and it's like a royal place for Thai royals to stay. And I got a royal room. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So when I walk in, on my left, okay, very quickly, is the closet with, I want to say iron board. Oh yeah, okay, so the iron is in the drawer, and then hair dryer as well as safe deposit box. Okay, so continuing on is the mini bar. So it's a very fully stocked mini bar with the kettle and then the coffee machine, as well as the ice bucket, the crystal glass, and some more alcohol drinks, and the fully stocked mini bar. Of course, you do have to pay for it, but I like fully stocked mini bar. Okay, so on my right is actually the bathroom. Okay, so again, rain shower is a must. And this is the amenity kit, or amenities for shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So this is the additional amenity boxes for everything: shower cap, toothpaste, toothbrush, and everything. Okay, 2 extra bottle of water for teeth brushing, which is good. And then they also have the bathtub, a good sized bathtub, as well as a very comfy bathrobes here and towels. Okay, so coming right back out is, okay, another bathrobe with the slippers and good number of hangers in this wardrobe. Okay, this is not a suite, this is just a royal room with 1 king bed. Again, you can see the decor, very traditional type, but very comfortable. So they put my luggage here. And then, I always check very, very thick and comfortable mattress, nice linen and pillow, the headboard, the painting, very classy. Okay, and then over here is a small kind of living room area with the welcome fruit, as well as a card from the room's division manager to welcome me to this hotel. Okay, so that's nice. Actually, this is quite nice. Okay, and then television is here. And then this is an interesting section. So I think this room, they have an extended area which is used like a work area. So again, this is good for business traveler, can actually do quite a lot of work in this area. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I will show you the view as well. I am on the, I can't remember, 20 something floor, 24th floor. Okay, so this is the view from my room. Actually, as a Bonvoy Platinum Elite member, I do have access to the club lounge. So I'm going to check out the club lounge in the afternoon, and then tomorrow morning, actually, I opt in to have the full buffet breakfast on the 2nd floor as the elite members benefit. If not, I will only get the club lounge breakfast, which will be limited because I want to show you the full breakfast. So I've opted in to have the full buffet breakfast on the second floor of this hotel. Okay, so that's pretty much about this hotel. As I say, you know, I always want to try all the Marriott hotels in the city to give you a great overview, and that's why I'm staying here for one night at the Athenee Hotel in Bangkok Luxury Collection. So just follow me and I will show you the club floor as well as the breakfast.